First things first, head to your phone's App Store or Play Store as per your device, then search for QuickBooks. That's the official one by Intuit. Tap install, it is free to download and for use. Once installed, open the app. You will see this clean and simple dashboard. Now to use this app features, you will need to sign up first. Remember, QuickBooks Desktop is an accounting software application developed by Intuit that you install on your Windows or Mac computer or even mobile and iOS. It is used mainly by small and medium sized businesses to manage their financial and accounting tasks. It tracks your income and expenses, it creates invoices and bills. You can track your vehicle mileage as well. Now, to use this app's features, you will need to sign in with your company or business email that is given to you so that whatever you are doing here, it will share to your company and you can manage your expenses and other things as well. To sign in, just click on top left corner and click here to sign in, and by clicking here you can create a new account. Remember, always use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication right away for security. Now let's understand its features one by one. Open your home screen of the app. Here you can see three options: receipt, bill, and document. And below that you can track vehicle mileage option. Now let's understand one by one. First one is receipt. What it does: you can take a photo of any business receipt like fuel, food, tolls, purchases, etc. And how it helps: it automatically scans receipt, then extracts details like amount, date, vendor, and it sends it to your QuickBooks desktop as an expense. It saves time. You don't have to type anything manually. Then second, bill. What it does: allows you to upload or capture an image of a bill you need to pay. For example, electricity bill, supplier bill, vendor invoice. How it helps: QuickBooks reads the bill's details, adds it into your bills to pay section in QuickBooks Desktop, helps with accounts payable management. Then third one is document. What it does: you can upload any other business related document here. For example, contract, then delivery challan, purchase order, warranty papers, tax documents. Then how it helps: all documents stay organized. You can attach them to transactions inside QuickBooks Desktop, easier during audits or for record keeping. Then track vehicle mileage. What it does: this feature is for people who drive for business, delivery, travel, sales, etc. You can add your starting kilometer and ending kilometer, add date plus purpose of trip, calculate total business miles or kilometers. How it helps: keep accurate records of your business travel, useful for reimbursement, fuel claims, or tax deductions. Automatically sends the mileage log to your QuickBooks desktop. This is how this app works. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.